Good evening, Dean Davis and LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist. Overnight outlook time. Let's take a look at the radar with temperature overlay. We have single digits here in Kansas with some heavier snow going on right now on the Kansas-Oklahoma border. And then you get warmer temperatures down towards Dallas. The snow will be heading to the east towards the Roanoke Valley and will give us a few inches Wednesday night. Let's take a look closer into the Roanoke Valley for the temperatures. Temperature profiles at this hour. In the 9 o'clock hour, 29 in Roanoke, 25 in Blacksburg. You go down towards 30 in Greensboro, 33, which Greensboro is the triad, 33 in Durham, which is considered triangle. If you all didn't know what that was, that's a little bit of information. 30 up here, Charlottesville. Baltimore, looking at 26 at this hour, and 28 in Washington, D.C. Taking a look further to the south, you can see we have 42 in Fayetteville, 42 in Charleston, South Carolina, moving to the west into the area of Georgia, 35 in Atlanta, and no precipitation. Moving up into the Tennessee area, you can see we got some snow here in Missouri. That's moving towards Tennessee, 22 at this hour in Nashville, 27 in Knoxville, 26 Asheville, North Carolina, and 30 in Chattanooga. 30 in Huntsville, Alabama. So this is a southeast United States temperature grid with radar overlay. This is Intellicast that has this out. Very interesting program. The Titan actually comes from this is interlinked into the NBC station here in the area of Roanoke. So WSLS 10 has the same type of overlay. I'm just using the Intellicast version. Okay, let's take a look at GR level 3 radar. My version of GR level 3, I have active radar with them. Here's the city of Roanoke and city of Salem. This is Roanoke County, Bedford County is over here, Franklin County is here. Here's the radar site. Christiansburg and Blacksburg are in this area. So you see here is you have this is a lake effect snow shower at this time going on in Pearlsburg down towards Blacksburg, and a pretty good line streamer coming down towards the Christiansburg area. It may get into Christiansburg by the time the night's over, so passing snow could happen in the higher elevations of the New River Valley. And here's a look at the radar overlay in Kansas. This is Topeka. You can see just a massive amount of precipitation now in the area, and we're going to do 1 hour precipitable rainfall, which is between a tenth of an inch. So we could be looking at least an inch of snow in these areas as the time goes past. Looking at some north maps, we have the precipitation now in Kansas. This will move to the east. Here it comes into the Roanoke Valley by Wednesday p.m. and then overnight it'll come through the area and off the coast by the morning on Thursday. As you see, some lingering precipitation right along the coast. And if the low tries to develop there, which it could try, eastern North Carolina may get a bigger amount of snowfall. I'm looking right now at 1 inch to 3 here in the Roanoke Valley. Probably just going to be 1 inch or 2. And 2 to 4 back here in parts of central Tennessee, Nashville area. And the most amounts right now are going on here in Oklahoma and Kansas. As we continue on, you see the low moves off. We get high pressure build in and warm air, then it'll start entrenching itself into the southeast United States and also here in Delaware Valley. So snowstorms will go away for at least a week's period coming up here, because anything that will happen will be rain, with the pattern shift with the NAO being positive. And Mike DeFino put out a good information earlier about some of the things, the signals you look for. And it's not looking good over the next week, or at least. But you have to understand that the atmosphere is a balance, and usually when you get a good amount of snowstorms, it has to get warm, and then it has to go back cold. And we have to realize that sometimes when we get that warm air, everybody forgets it's winter still, and then all of a sudden it crashes back down. We get a big storm running up the coast, and they're notorious in February and March. So it's something we got to keep an eye on for at least the next month. I even put this in if you remember me be doing the monthly outlook for the southeast, I was saying this time period was going to be a warm time period before it went back to possibly some stormy weather by the end of the month. Just before I go into the actual forecast for the Roanoke Valley. Here's eastern North Carolina, Outer Banks. We're talking 2 to 4 inches of snow. Like I said, if that coastal low tries to develop, it's going to bring eastern North Carolina into some heavier snow. Nationally speaking, we have winter storm watches, winter weather advisories, and winter storm warnings. 4 to 8 inches out here will be occurring here in Kansas and Oklahoma and parts of Arkansas. And they've extended the winter storm watches into and winter weather advisories here into places like Nashville, places like southwest and central Kentucky. The Roanoke Valley forecast. Wednesday, sprinkles turn into flurries. Wednesday afternoon, 40. Any rain turn over to snow. An inch or two is possible. Wednesday night, gradual clearing occurring on Thursday, 37, 43 on Friday, 47 Saturday, and an 8 into the 50s by Sunday. In the Triad, 22 overnight, 43 Wednesday, snow Wednesday night and Thursday, then ending an inch to 3 inches is possible. High 39. 46 on Friday, 49 on Saturday, and into the 50s by Sunday with clearing skies. Triangle also, we're looking at partly sunny skies, so partly cloudy overnight, 22, 44 partly sunny skies, snow developing 29 on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, 1 or 2 inches possible, 25 Thursday night, 48 Friday, 51 Saturday, and going towards 60 on Sunday. Northern Virginia, you see we're out of the snow, no snow in the forecast for here, 16 tonight, 35 Wednesday, 33 Thursday, 38 Friday, 45 Saturday, going towards 55 for Sunday, clearing skies. So, a southern slider will cause an inch to 3 inches of snow in the greater Roanoke, Triad, Triangle areas. A little more snow down towards the Outer Banks, North Carolina, where we could have 2 to 4 inches. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information, and we'll keep you updated with the latest weather information. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.